Most banks would kill for 32 million customers. Pepkor already has them. They also have more than 6,000 stores and more than 17 million digital members through Capfin with an active loan base. When people hear that Pepkor wants to open a bank, they think that Pepkor is moving from retail to finance, where I actually think it's the other way around. Pepkor has been building their financial services business for years. So the banking license was just the next logical step. Now, here's what I find fascinating. As a social media educator, I always teach my students it's so important to first build the audience and then sell them the products that they need. And this is exactly the strategy that Pepkor has been using. They already have the trust, the data, and the distribution. So it just makes sense to sell to their existing customers new products that solve their problems. Now, let me know in the comments a little bit more about your business and how you can actually apply this principle that we can learn from Pepkor in your business.